Come on, come on, come on. I just want to tell you and encourage you tonight that you can make it. Yes, you will. Yeah. Come on, saints. See, we all went through trouble, ups and downs in our life. We had some times we felt like throwing in the towel. There's some time you felt all alone and cried, and nobody to hold me. I found through the Word of God that I don't have to fight alone in this battle. And yes, He is. Through the valley, yes, He is. And I can't do it on my own, but I can make it. I can make it. I let God fight for me. See, I can make it. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. You can make it. It's got to go through God's way. Somebody get ready to get a blessing. Somebody get ready to go through that storm and not gonna give up in the storm. The enemy that come against me, he can't win now, because I have one that fight for me. He fight, and every time I win. For we more than a conqueror through Christ. We shall win. You can make it. Yes, you can. Through sickness and pain, confusion and upsets, you can make it. Yes, you can. I tried them, and I knew God will fight your battles. Yes, He will. You can make it. You can make it. I got to make it. You can make it. Good God Almighty. Come on, somebody. You can make it. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty. Here we go. Somebody get ready to get the victory right now. Whoa! See, I know that sometime in my life I get weak, and sometimes don't know. But my God, He will keep you in perfect peace. Whose mind is stayed on Him. You can make it with Jesus. You can make it with His power. Yeah, power. You can make it. I got to make it. I got to get there. I got to make it. See, I need God to fight for me. I need you. for me. Yeah, fight for me. In the morning, oh, I can make it. Wait, in my life, I can make it. In my fire, I can make it. I can make it. Good God Almighty, I can make it. In my mind, you can make it. You can if you hold on. Be strong. You can make it. Yes, you can. You can win. You already a conqueror. Wait a minute. You're more than a conqueror. Yeah. You can make it. You can make it. That's enough. Time to go home.